Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to add Polygon Network on MetaMask. So to add Polygon Network on MetaMask, the first thing to do is to open the MetaMask, then click the network drop down at the top of MetaMask. It typically says Ethereum mainnet, so click it to view the network list, then select Add Network or Add Network manually. So once you are done adding the network manually, which is your network name, your new RPC URL, your chain ID, your currency symbol, and the blockchain explorer URL. So all of that details is added to your detailed list. Click save. The MetaMask will connect to Polygon mainnet, and that is. And here's a quick important tip: your wallet address stays the same, just on the network you are connected to has a change. So the balance we now shows in Matic instead of ETH or BNB. So and that's it. So find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.